We guide you through how to make perspective text in CapCut. So open your CapCut and import your video, then tap on text and choose Add Text to type your desired word or phrase. Once it appears on your timeline, select the text layer and go to Style to adjust font, size, and color so it stands out clearly. Now, tap Edit and look for the perspective or 3D options depending on your version of CapCut. Then start adjusting the X and Y axis to tilt the text and create that realistic angled look that matches your scene. Fine-tune the perspective until it looks like it's natural. Place it in your video space, then use keyframes to animate the text if you want it to move with the camera for a more dynamic effects. You can also add shadow or blur slightly to enhance depth and realism. Once everything looks smooth and cinematic, review your edit to make sure the perspective aligns properly with footage and then export your video in the high quality.